नमस्ते बेटियों, खुश रहिए। आई एम समन बानिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर श्रुति विद्यापीठ वुमेन यूनिवर्सिटी from Faculty of Fashion Education and Methodology in Fashion Department. In last class, we discussed about fashion environment. Now, what are the factors of fashion environment and what are the categorization of fashion environment. Today, we will discuss about the principles of fashion like consumer establishments fashion by accepting or rejecting the style offers. फैशन आर नॉट बेस्ड ऑन प्राइस। ये जो प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं फैशन के कि फैशन एक स्टेबल नहीं रहता, उसकी जो एक्सेप्टेबल है रिजेक्शन है वो अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस के या स्टाइल के हिसाब से कंज्यूमर्स कभी भी एस्टेब्लिश कर सकते हैं। जो फैशन है वो प्राइस पे बेस्ड नहीं रहता, इट्स ऑन द वे पीपल लाइक देयर गारमेंट्स, एक्सेसरीज और अनदर फैशनेबल थिंग्स. Fashion are the innovationally in nature. They are really innovationally, renovationally. So जो फैशन है वो इनोवेशनली नहीं है, वो रेनोवेशनली है कि इसमें न्यू न्यू डिजाइन्स के आप डिजाइन्स लाते जाओगे। जो फैशन है वो फर्दर मूव में चलता जाएगा. No amount of sales promotion can change the direction in which the fashion are moving. जो sales promotion है वो help कर सकते हैं आपकी consumers से तक आपकी products पहुंचाने के लिए, पर आपकी fashion को move करने में sales promotion help नहीं करता, वो अपने डिजाइन के थ्रू ही करता है. All fashion end in essence. जो भी fashion है वो अपनी टाइम लिमिट तक ही रहता है. So let's continue about the fashion apparel. These are three types of categorization in women apparel, men apparel, children and teen apparel. Let's continue in women apparel. The women apparel includes the following conventional basics categories. So these are the categories like outwear, dresses, sportswear, clothing, जो भी है different type की clothing का कौन सी designs हैं, like outwears के लिए जो होती हैं वो coats होते हैं, suits होते हैं, rainwear होते हैं और jackets होती हैं. Dresses, one piece dresses, two piece dresses, in pairs होती है, a dress with a coat or a jacket. Sportswear and separates. These are active, contemporary, town and country and a separate sportswear like pants, shorts, tops, swimwear and the cover up. Bathing caps, beach bags, sweaters, skirts, jackets, tennis dresses, casual dresses and penswears. After fine and evening clothes, the casual जो भी dresses होती हैं जैसे कि sweaters हो गए, t-shirts हो गई, gym clothes हो गए, jeans हो गई, long coats, short coats, shorts, coats, dress pants, panties, swimwears, long sleeve, hoodies. These are different type of dresses. Brides and bridesmaids के लिए एक अलग alternative होते हैं. The blouses, this include the both dressy and the tailored trousers, uniform and the aprons. These are the house dresses and sometimes a career apparel. And next is maternity. The women apparel is divided into a several size ranges as follows. Women's की जो dresses हैं वो बहुत different sizes में followed hai. This includes even a number of half sizes like 12.5 to 26.5 and a straight sizes 36 to 52. Maxis this includes regular even numbered size like 6 to 12. Tall sizes में है 12 to 20 and sometimes sizes are smaller as 2. Juniors के लिए these are 5 to 17 and a panty sizes is 1 to 15. नेक्स्ट स्पेंडी साइज जो रेगुलर साइजेस में होते हैं नंबर है वो 2 to 16 and junior sizes 1 to 15. Now let's jump about in a men apparel. Men apparel में है industries में traditionally have been divided into films making 5 kinds of clothing like tailor's clothing, finishing, heavy outwear, work clothing and active sportswear. So tailored clothing has suits, overcoats, top coats, short coats, sports coats and a separate trousers. Furnishing में है like shirts, neckwear, sweaters, kit tops, underwears, socks, ribs and pajamas. Heavy wears में है jackets, snow suits, skinny jackets, parkas and related items to heavy outwears. Work outwears में है working shirts, work pants, overalls and related items. Active sports wears में है running shorts, tops, jogging suits, tunic and athletic footwears. Another they are having of like uniforms, hats and another items. It is being showed in the picture. You can see that like sweaters, hoodies, shirts, cardigans, t-shirts, v-neck, u-neck, this overhood, different type of shoes is like loafers. Then the men's की जो tailor clothing is provided in the different proportional sizes like जो shorts हैं उनके जो sizes होते हैं 36 to 44. Regular includes sizes are 35 to 46. Long sizes includes 37 to 48. Both length sizes जो होते हैं like 38 to 50. And short sizes are 39 to 48 and big sizes are 46, 48 and 50. Contemporary sizes are usually provided in the following sizes are shorts includes 36 to 40, regular is 36 to 42 and long is 38 to 44. Next is children and teen apparel. The children wear industry specialized in a basic range, the age group and the size including in each category are as follows like infants. Infants in this category, 2 sizes systems are used. One system use sizes to 3 to 24 months and then the another sizes newborn, small, medium, large and extra large. These are the dresses for the newborns like overalls, baby mullets and socks, baby shoes. Toddlers, the category which is worn by younger children who are learning to walk in a toddlers. The small range, the size range from T1 to T4, the T stands for the toddlers. Children's के लिए है. These include sizes is 3 to 6x for girls and 3 to 7 for boys. This is worn by the girls and boys between the age of 3 to 6. These are different type of dresses for the girls and boys like hat, cap, jeans, jackets, leather jackets, socks, bags, ties, belts, shoes, ribbons, hot pants, jeans, mufflers, gloves. Girls के लिए हैं. This includes a size from 7 to 14. आप उनके growth पे depend होता है till they are grow to the teen age. जो उनकी pantaloons के जो sizes होते हैं वो होते हैं 6 to 14. Boys के लिए हैं include होते हैं 8 to 20. और correspondingly उनकी growth पे depend होता है boys till they are the teen age and mature. This is in for the PPT. In this PPT, we have discussed about different type of clothing range of men, women, and children wear, what they wear, and what are the different sizes they wear in different age. In next class, we will learn about the fashion cycle in a detailed way. Thank you. Have a nice day.